friends, welcome back to my channel Techno Education Academy. In this video lecture, we will discuss about basics of unit conversion. Let's start with geometrical dimension. Whenever we measure the length, width, height, okay, at that time some dimension given in mm and we need to convert into meter. Sometimes it is given in centimeter, then we need to convert it into meter. So basically we need to know the relationship between mm, centimeter and meter. So as we know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. So on the scale here you can see that in each centimeter it contains total 10 division and 1 division equal to 1 mm. So here you can see that in a 1 centimeter total 10 division is given. So 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter or 10 mm. On the scale here you can see that bottom side here you can see that this is the inch scale and the top side here you can see that centimeter scale. So here you can see that 1 inch equal to 25.4 millimeter and 1 foot equal to 12 inch. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. It is also written as 10 raised to 2 centimeter. And 1 meter equal to 1000 mm, or it is also written as 10 raised to 3 mm. So here you can see that 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm and 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So whenever we convert 1 meter into mm, okay, at that time it is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. So multiply with 10. So it is equal to 1000 mm. So 1 meter equal to 1000 mm. And 1 yard equal to 3 feet. Okay, so remember guys, this is the basic relationship between mm, centimeter, inch, foot and yard. We have already discussed these two relationship, centimeter and mm and meter and mm. Vice versa, if the dimension given in mm and we need to convert into centimeter. Okay, so here you can see that 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. So 1 mm equal to 10 raised to minus 1 centimeter. So this 10 it is in denominator of centimeter. So 1 mm equal to 10 raised to minus 1 centimeter. If the dimension given in mm and we need to convert into meter. So we know that 1 meter equal to 1000 mm. So 1 mm equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter. So basically the dimension is given in mm and we need to convert into meter. So divide by 1000. So here 800 mm is given and our objective is to convert into meter. So 800 divide by 1000 because we know the relationship between meter and mm. 1 meter equal to 1000 mm. So 800 divided by 1000. So it is equal to 0.8 meter. So any dimension it is given in mm and we need to convert into meter. So divide by 1000. Same as for example it is given in centimeter and we need to convert into meter. So divide by 100 because we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. For example, some geometrical dimension like as a surface area, volume, it is given in centimeter square and we need to convert into mm square. If it is given in meter square and we need to convert into mm square. If it is given in mm square and we need to convert into meter square. So we also know the relationship between centimeter square, mm square and meter square. So 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. Here you can see that this is the relationship between 1 centimeter square equal to 100 mm square because we know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. So here centimeter square it will be there. So 10 raised to 2. So 1 centimeter square equal to 100 mm square. Same as 1 meter equal to 1000 mm. But here meter square it will be there. So 10 raised to cube, its square is 10 raised to 6. So 1 meter square equal to 10 raised to 6 mm square. As If the surface area it is given in mm square and we need to convert into centimeter square, so here we make the object 1 mm square, so 100 it is in denominator of centimeter square, so in denominator means 10 raised to minus 2 centimeter square. So 1 mm square equal to 10 raised to minus 2 centimeter square. Same as if the area it is given in mm square and we need to convert into meter square. Okay, so here we make the object 1 mm square. This is 10 raised to 6. It is in denominator of 1 meter square. So 1 mm square equal to 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. If the value of force it is given in kilonewton, we know that force means it is the external agency due to that body is occurring a motion, and its unit is Newton. Sometimes it is given with some prefix, okay, kilo, mega, giga. Okay, at that time we are using this relationship. Kilo means 10 raised to 3, mega means 10 raised to 6, giga means 10 raised to 9. Okay, we have already discussed different prefix in my previous lecture of engineering mechanics. Here 1 Pascal equal to 1 Newton per meter square. As we know that Pascal and Newton per meter square, it is a unit of pressure. Pressure means it is the force applied perpendicular to the surface of an object per unit area over which that force is distributed. So pressure means it is a ratio of force upon area, and we know that the unit of force means Newton and the unit of area is meter square. So pressure equal to force upon area, so its unit is Newton per meter square, and 1 Newton per meter square equal to 1 Pascal. Sometimes in example it is given in kilopascal, megapascal and gigapascal. Okay, so kilo means 10 raised to 3, mega means 10 raised to 6 and giga means 10 raised to 9. We have already discussed. In some of the example it is given in mm square, but according to the SI unit we need to convert into meter square. So 1 Newton per mm square equal to 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter. How can we derive it? Here you can see that 1 meter equal to 1000 mm. So for example, any value it is given in Newton per mm square and we need to convert into Newton per meter square. So here the relationship between meter and mm is 1 meter equal to 1000 mm. So here we multiply 1 Newton per mm square with 10 raised to 6 divided by 10 raised to 6, because here 1 meter equal to 1000 mm, but here mm square is there. So multiply with 10 raised to 6 divided by 10 raised to 6. This in denominator this 10 raised to 6, okay, it is utilized to convert mm into meter. So the remaining term is 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter square. So 1 Newton per mm square equal to 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter square. Same as if the pressure its value is given in Newton per centimeter square. So again we are using previous relationship, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So multiply with 10 raised to 4 divided by 10 raised to 4. Okay, in denominator this 10 raised to 4 it is utilized to convert centimeter square into meter square. So the remaining term is 10 raised to 4 Newton per meter square. So 1 Newton per centimeter square equal to 10 raised to 4 Newton per meter square. So remember guys, this relationship it is useful to solve the example, and you can also derive it. Now we will discuss other units. 1 Newton into meter equal to 1 joule. Okay, it is the unit of couple, torque, moment, work done. Okay, couple means two equal and opposite forces are acting some definite distance. Its unit is Newton into meter. Torque means force into radial distance. So the unit of force is Newton, and radial distance it is also measured in meter. So it is the unit of torque. Moment means force into perpendicular distance. So its also unit is Newton into meter. And work, force into displacement. Okay, so remember guys, these are the different term, but its unit is same. Now 1 watt equal to 1 joule per second, and we know that 1 joule equal to Newton into meter. So 1 watt equal to 1 joule per second equal to 1 Newton into meter per second, and it is a unit of power. And in our day-to-day life, okay, we measure the consumption of electricity. It is in kilowatt hour, okay, because it will depend on usage. Okay, how much hour we are utilizing the electricity. So its unit is kilowatt hour. Horsepower. Okay, it is also the unit of power. Power means rate of doing work. Okay, work done we have already discussed, Newton into meter, force into displacement, and rate means time. Okay, so rate of doing work, it is called power, or we can say joule per second, and its unit is watt. And this is the relationship between horsepower and watt. 1 horsepower equal to 746 watt. Because in olden days, okay, we are using horse, okay, to carry the load, okay, for any transportation or any work. Okay, horsepower is a unit of measurement of power used to express the power of engine or car, electric motor, uh, pump power, etc. Nowadays, we are using horsepower to measure the power of any car or engine. In electric motor, okay, we are also using it. The next relationship is between the kg and Newton. 1 kg equal to 9.81 Newton. For example, any of the example, okay, its weight is given in kg. Okay, 5 kg, 6 kg. Okay, so according to the SI unit, we need to convert into Newton. So 1 kg equal to 9.81 Newton. Or we can also remember it W equal to mg. Okay, m means mass and g means gravitational acceleration. Its value is 9.81. So we multiply with 9.81 value, then it is converted into Newton. Sometimes in example, okay, the temperature value it is given in degree Celsius. Okay, temperature means it is the sense of hotness or coldness of body, and if it is given in degree Celsius, then we need to convert into Kelvin. So 0 degree Celsius equal to 273 Kelvin. If any of the example, okay, the value of the temperature it is given 25 degree Celsius, 27 degree Celsius. So we need to add 273. Okay, then it is converted into Kelvin. So 25 degree Celsius. So whenever we add 273, so 25 degree Celsius equal to 298 Kelvin. Same as 27 degree Celsius. Whenever we add 273, so it is equal to 300 Kelvin. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope this content it will be helpful to you. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope this content it will be helpful to you. If you would like to watch this type of more technical videos, then please subscribe our channel and also share with your friends. And also subscribe this channel for more video notification.